Hey everyone, we're back. We are Chad and Ashley, and this is our channel, ouRVan. If you've watched the last couple, you know we sold our van, and we are currently traveling back across the country in my dad's RV. You might be able to see it back behind us there. And yeah, if you watched the last one, you know we just made it into New Orleans, or at least we were on our way to New Orleans. We did arrive. If you've been following us for a while, you might recognize this spot because we have been here before. It's a good one. It's called Boomtown Casino, and it's a great boondocking or a lot docking spot here in New Orleans. So we'll give you a look at that. I'll put the drone up in the air. Wish it were a little sunnier today, but we got to work with what we got here. And yeah, we're probably gonna stay here for a couple days, and yeah, I'll show you around the casino, and we're also gonna go into New Orleans, walk around Bourbon Street a little bit later today. So we'll bring you along for that, and let's get going. All right, we made it to our parking. We actually got the same free parking as we did a year ago when we were here in New Orleans. And they're a little bit decorated for Mardi Gras. They did cancel all the parades this year, but they're still having some kind of little Mardi Gras decorations at least. So yeah, we're campground, or the casino we're at's only 13 miles, about a 20-minute drive away. Probably the best free option for New Orleans. So yeah, we're here now. Let's walk around. You ready, Ashley?
Do it.
Let's do it. I'm going for it. There's the sun. that we've had our beignets, it's time to go to the best bar in New Orleans, the very best. You ready, Ashley? All right, let's go. All right, Bar Walgreens. Hottest spot on the strip.
Best deals.
Best happy hour specials. Oh yeah, look at those deals. Oh yeah.
I hope so.
That is the New Orleans secret, not so secret for cheap beers. Just go to the pharmacy, then walk the strip with it. All right, that's gonna wrap up our first day of this visit to New Orleans. Got to explore the Bourbon Street area and really just walk around that general area. Back at the casino now, and well, where's the sun? There's the sun. Also, it's really windy right now, so excited to test out
Oh, it's cold.
how this audio sounds in this wind. All right, so now we're gonna go into New Orleans for our second day, and we're gonna go over to the Garden District area. Look at Buddy all the way over there. He's way back. And yeah, we're gonna explore that area. I think we're gonna try to find an old cemetery to walk through and tour a little bit. And we're also gonna, Ashley, tell them about the trolley you found.
Oh, it's the oldest operating trolley in the world.
Yeah. I got more facts than that because I
Did
looked it up.
you?
Yeah, I just got the date.
I guess it's not the oldest trolley, but it's the oldest operating trolley.
Yeah, it's the oldest continually
Yes, that's
operating
the word.
streetcar in the world. It's been going since 1835.
Ooh, you even got the date.
Yeah, so we're gonna go give that one a ride. So yeah, let's get going into New Orleans for another day. Once we got into the Garden District, we did very quickly find a cemetery to go walk around, and it was called the St. Joseph Cemetery. And how do I explain where it is? I guess it's a little to the west of the main part of New Orleans, right around the Garden District area. And the reason that the cemeteries around here are popular and so cool is because it's a little unusual, because all the burials are done above ground. Because the water table in New Orleans is so high, you can't bury coffins because they would very quickly fill with water and probably just float right up to the surface. So because of that, you've got these really nice stone tombs, and it makes the graveyards or cemeteries really nice to go walk around. Next stop, and just a little farther down the road, we did find the streetcar. Fancy. There are a few different streetcars around New Orleans. First, we actually went to the wrong one. They look a lot newer and they're painted red, and they go through like the financial district part of town. But eventually we found the one we were looking for. It's called the St. Charles streetcar, and it looks a lot older, and they're painted like a dark green. And these are the oldest ones that we mentioned before. Have been going continuously since 1835. And these streetcars, they run all around the downtown New Orleans area, from basically like past Uptown all the way down to the intersection of Canal Street and Bourbon Street, which is where we rode all the way from that intersection, Canal and Bourbon, all the way to the Uptown area. And then we got off and hopped back on. It was $3 a person to buy a day pass. So awesome deal, really fun ride. And it went through a lot of really pretty areas. And we got to see a lot of big mansions that were all decorated for the Mardi Gras season. So bunch of fun, definitely recommended if you're coming to New Orleans. All right, and that's gonna wrap up our time in New Orleans. Great camping spot here, Boomtown Casino. Again, definitely recommend it. Ashley, did you have fun here?
Yes. Always a good time in New Orleans.
So we're gonna hit the road and keep heading on down to Florida, and we'll catch up with you guys next time.